What's up, guys? It's Natalia here, and on this channel, we discuss all things business, money, and strategy. Now, if you don't know me, I've been in business going on 2 years now. Part-time business because I still have a full-time career as a cost analyst, but I am every day trying to figure out how to, let's say, bring in multiple streams of income. And this was my first attempt at a first or second stream. So I've also decided to document that process and also teach you guys some things along the way, or show you some of the things that I've learned along the way, the things that I am learning, and some of my pitfalls you might want to avoid. And just overall, I'm just trying to figure out a way to help you while I help myself in the process. So I've committed to coming on here and recording like a business, a video diary, if you will. Kind of sounds weird, but at the same time, I do believe that I can help some people, and I'm definitely trying to help myself. So if you're interested, definitely subscribe to my channel. Let me know some topics that you would want to maybe hear about, know about. I'll do the research and I'll post a video for you guys. So yeah, hopefully we will become fast friends. So let's see, can we just talk about the fact that I haven't made a freaking sale in like 3 weeks? 3 freaking weeks. I have not made a sale in 3 weeks. Like, I cannot believe this. This is not okay. Especially since, if you saw my last video, which I'm sure most of you haven't, I'm not recommending that you go watch it. It's not an easy watch. I'll just go ahead and say that first of all. But again, we're learning here, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. But if you saw my first video, you know that I did like a vision board, and I have my goals for this year that I wanted to achieve. And making 60K in my boutique, my part-time business, was one of those goals. There's no way I'm gonna make that goal if I'm going 3 weeks without making a sale. So I gotta get on it. Now, the bigger question is, why has it been 3 weeks without me making a sale? Well, I have kind of reflected on it a little bit, and I've come up with about 5 reasons that have kind of impacted me in a way to where I'm just not really making any sales. And I pretty much am trying to figure out a way to, get around those issues right now. So number 1, I haven't a lot of social media content to post lately. So I've had very little or limited social media activity. This is not good if you have an online business. So I do know that I really need to try to be more consistent with finding content to post on a regular basis, and also having like videos and photos of my merchandise on a regular basis. A lot of this has to do with limited time. A lot of this has to do with when I'm not feeling cute, I don't feel like getting in front of a camera, okay? I don't know anybody who does. And like last week, I will say that I did make a lot of videos. Number 1, because I knew it was time to take my hair down. Time for the hair to come down. And right before the hair goes or comes down, I knew I wanted to get some videos in there, because you just don't know when I'm going to be able to get in front of the camera again. So when I did that, I made myself post those videos, and would you believe I got a sale after that? How crazy is that? That tells me I need to be more consistent on social media, especially with videos. So I'm gonna really try to do a better job at that. And if this is something you've been struggling with in your business as well, like, what are some of the things that you do? Just let me know that. Like, are you actively filming videos? And if you have any ideas for me, then put them in the comments below. So the second thing I've come up with is that I really haven't been checking in with my customers consistently the way that I should be. And as you guys know, that kind of is a delicate situation. You don't want to be hounding your customers all the time. And I try to play that very careful, you know. I don't want to run anybody away. We all know that friend who gets a business and they're hounding us all the time about placing an order, sharing it with their friends, whatever. I don't do any of that, and I try not to be that type of person. So that really sucks about, you know, it sucks about sales, but you really have to get over that, and I have to get over that as well. So one of the things that I'm gonna step it up on is my email, being more consistent with emailing out information to my customers so that they know I'm still here. And yeah, I'm still gonna try to follow up every now and then with my more consistent customers who buy from me regularly. So that's how I'm gonna hopefully be more consistent when it comes to my customers. So number 3, one of the things that I had on my vision board as an action step to help me achieve my 60,000 this year in my business was to have an event or host, not host, but to kind of like work an event, a vendor event once a month. And I am behind schedule on this. I haven't been able to find many good events to work. So if you guys know of any events, please let me know. And yeah, drop them in the comments below. I am interested, and I definitely need to get something scheduled soon because I have to catch up. I'm behind for January and now February. So if I'm gonna meet my goals, then I have to really get on it with the vendor event. So the fourth thing that I've come up with was a failure failure to host private parties. What am I calling this? Failure to launch my home parties or my online parties. So I wanted to be able to have another way of getting my inventory to the customer, and I was going to do that by having my customers host their friends in their homes, and then I come kind of do like a little party. But again, that takes up time, and I am on limited time. So I have really got to figure that one out. Maybe I can do some online type of party where they still host, they bring their friends to some type of platform to place orders, and however many orders they place, and I can somehow reward them for supporting my business in that way. I haven't launched that yet, and I haven't really had the time to look into that further, but that is another action step that I need to do to help me reach my goal. So that's another thing that I will be implementing in my business soon. So you can hold me to that. And probably by the end of March, I should definitely have something in place by that time. So last but not least, I can't talk. Last but not least, my number 5 thing that I need to get the ball rolling on is launching my ambassador program. So I do intend to launch an ambassador program. I'm just trying to do a little bit more research on what makes sense for that program. But this is also a strategy that I am going to use to make my 60K in my business, my online business this year. So yeah, I have a lot to do, and I know it. I have a really good group of girls that will help keep me accountable. We're keeping each other accountable, and now I have you guys to keep me accountable as well. So I will hop back on here and let you guys know how things are going. But yeah, we can't do any more 3-week stints without making sales. So I got to get on it. And you guys are more than willing, or what is the word? I just cannot talk. Just please hold me accountable, okay? hold me accountable. And let me know if you guys are working on anything that you would like for me to hold you accountable for. Have you started a business? Are you thinking about it? Share your story in the comments below. And again, if you like this type of content, I'm just getting started. I promise you it's going to get better. But if you like this type of content, you know, we're talking about money, we're talking about business, and we're talking about strategies to get you to reaching your goals. If you like that type of stuff, then please follow me, or don't follow me. Yeah, you can actually follow me as well on my IG. I'm at _Natalia Y Taylor, or my boutique is at shopfinehoney on IG and Facebook. So go follow me there. But please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I think that's all I got. So I'm about to sign off here. It is February 18th, and yeah, I'm gonna sign off my video diary for you guys. So introduce yourselves, and I hope to chat with you soon. Peace out.